In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring meeting in GoToMeeting. Whether you're setting up regular team check-ins or planning frequent client calls, having a consistent meeting link can make things a lot simpler. Let's dive right in. To start off, what you need to do first is sign into your GoToMeeting account. You can do this through either the desktop or the web app, whichever you prefer. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, ready to organize your meetings. The key button to look out for here is the plus Create Meeting button. It's your gateway to setting up all kinds of meetings, so go ahead and click on it to open the meeting setup window. Once the Create Meeting window is open, this is where you'll begin to customize your meeting. Enter a clear and descriptive title for your meeting, so everyone invited knows exactly what it's about. Next, you'll want to choose the type of session you need. For our purposes, you should select Reusable Meeting Room, which is sometimes labeled as Recurring Meeting. This selection keeps your meeting link and ID consistent for all sessions, avoiding any confusion or mix-ups with different links and IDs for each meeting. After deciding on the session type, it's time to explore further options to tailor the meeting to your needs. Customize elements like audio choices. Decide whether you'd like to use VoIP or if you prefer phone dial-in. Think about whether enabling auto-recording is beneficial for your group or if breakout rooms might enhance your sessions. For added security, consider setting a password. You also have the option to add co-organizers who can help manage the meeting. Once you've made these decisions and everything is set up just the way you want it, simply click Save. Your newly created recurring meeting room will now show up under your Upcoming or Rooms tab. It will be ready and waiting for you anytime you need it. Now, while not mandatory, you might want to consider adding your recurring meeting to your calendar for easy access. This is straightforward. Find the calendar icon next to your meeting's details. Clicking this icon allows you to either export an .ics file, which can be used in most calendar applications, or you can open it in your calendar app directly to send out invites with ease. And there you have it, a reusable meeting room in GoToMeeting, all set up and ready to go. With one consistent link for all your recurring meetings, joining has never been easier for you and your participants. Thanks for spending time with us, and happy scheduling.